We've all heard the joke, right? When there is something you don't know, you just watch a YouTube video. But can you start a business that way? It's how one Logan woman began her entrepreneurial journey. We went to see how she does it.
First, you choose your stone. They call them cabs. Then you choose something called a bezel. This is the silver that's just going to wrap around your stone. This all started when I was young. My great-grandma and grandma had turquoise jewelry from the reservation. I grew up in Arizona.
We were kind of just talking, and she thought it could never happen. She could never make her own jewelry, but she always wanted to try. And I just said, let's do it.
So I would watch YouTube videos all night, it seemed like, and I finally felt comfortable enough to buy the tools to start making them, and I'm gonna have to trim it a little bit more. So to get everything to start, it was around $1,000 probably, not including the silver.
I'll support her any way I can. I'm not creative in that way.
I'm gonna pinch it in here and then solder the two sides together.
She's been doing it a little over a year and a half.
So now I'm going to cut the backing of the setting. Then you'll solder the bezel onto a sheet of silver, which creates the back. It was frustrating at first because it took a lot of trial and error, lots of mess ups. It's hard running a business. I do all the behind the scenes work, like taxes. It's difficult sometimes because I feel like I hit a creative block and that it's okay to not create for a week. Maybe the next week I'll create something I never even thought of. It definitely has paid off. I appreciate everyone who supports me because I'm able to do something I love and live off of it.
I've never seen her so happy with something she's ever done.
I make more than Kyle. I always tease him how I'm his sugar mama.
Her dream has come to life.
I'm grateful that I get to do what I love every single day. It's a blessing. And then you're done.
Oh, she's so talented, that sugar mama, and I really love the vibe between that cute couple. So fun to see that it's not just kitchen table crafting, but late night garage crafting too, that can bring our creative burst to life. So fun to see, Bayleigh. Way to go. If you visit Bayleigh in the mini garage for a workshop, you can walk out with a ring that you made. She goes by the Instagram handle Canyon Creek Ring Co. We'll link you over from our website.